Have you ever stared at your phone, watching charts move up and down, and thought, if only I knew how this works, I could be making money right now? Well, that's exactly what we're talking about today. Because whether you're sitting in a cafe in Paris, taking the metro in Madrid, or chilling in your London flat, trading might just be the online skill that changes your life in 2025 and 2026. Welcome back to Finance with Sonia, where we make money talk sound like your best friend explaining it over coffee. Today's video is your complete beginner's guide to trading, not in theory, but in the exact step-by-step way you can start learning, practicing, and earning online through trading. And I promise, by the end of this video, you won't just understand trading. You'll actually know how to start. So grab your notebook, open your mind, and let's dive in. Let's start simple. Trading, in one line, means buying something at one price and selling it at another, ideally higher, to make a profit. That's it. You're exchanging value, predicting direction, and capturing the difference. You can trade almost anything: stocks, forex, commodities, and now cryptocurrencies. But here's the fun part. While stock trading feels like watching paint dry, and forex trading sometimes feels like gambling on global politics, crypto trading, that's like playing chess on caffeine. It's fast, exciting, and, for beginners in 2025, it's the most accessible and profitable place to start. And if you're watching this from Europe, whether you're Alex in London, Sophie in Berlin, or Luca in Milan, cryptocurrency platforms are available 24/7. No 9-to-5 markets, no brokers, no closed weekends. Just you, your screen, and the markets that never sleep. Now, before your imagination starts counting euros, hold on. Trading isn't just pressing buy and waiting to become rich. If that were true, every teenager with a Binance account would be a millionaire. Trading is a skill, one that pays those who respect it and punishes those who rush it. So let's break this journey down into a structure that actually works. If you open a trading chart right now, it'll probably look like alien code, green and red candles, numbers flying everywhere, and a price line moving faster than your brain can process. But that alien code is just human psychology drawn on a screen. Each candle represents emotions: greed, fear, confidence, hesitation. Once you learn to read those emotions, you'll start to see patterns most people miss. Start by understanding market basics. What are candlesticks? What does support and resistance mean? Why does price go up or down? You can learn all of this for free, and yes, I've compiled all the beginner tutorials in one free course playlist linked below. Here's the key mindset. Don't try to make money first. Try to understand how money moves. Think of it like learning to drive. You wouldn't jump into a Ferrari on day one, right? You'd first learn what the pedals do, how to handle the steering, and when to hit the brakes. Trading's exactly the same. Get comfortable with the controls before you go full speed. Once you get the basics, it's time to step into the cockpit. You'll need two tools, a trading platform and a charting platform. Let's start with the trading platform. If you're a beginner in Europe, platforms like Delta Exchange are amazing for learning crypto trading. They're simple, secure, and beginner-friendly. You can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even altcoins, all with demo accounts to practice before risking real euros. Next, the charting platform. If trading platforms are your car, charting platforms like TradingView are your GPS. They show you where the market's been, where it might go, and how to navigate in between. TradingView is free to start and gives you live charts, indicators, and drawing tools that help you analyze movements visually. So while your friend is scrolling through Instagram Reels, you'll be scrolling through candlesticks, both addictive, but one actually makes you money. Here's where most beginners fail: they jump into the market without a plan. That's like trying to bake a cake without a recipe. You might end up with something, but it probably won't be edible. A trading strategy is your recipe. It tells you when to enter, when to exit, and how much to risk. Now you have two ways to get one. Option 1. Start with pre-made strategies. Yes, that's the quick path. You can find tons on TradingView, strategies based on moving averages, RSI, or trend-following methods. Backtest them, tweak them, and see which fits your style. Option 2. Build your own strategy. This takes more time, but gives you full control. And if you're serious about trading long-term, this is where the fun begins. You'll want to learn 3 powerful concepts. Price action, understanding how market structure forms. Smart money concepts, learning how big institutions trade and trap retail traders. And candlestick psychology, recognizing emotional reactions in candle patterns like rejection wicks, engulfing patterns, and fake breakouts. Once you understand these, you'll stop trading blindly. You'll start trading intelligently. Imagine Luca from Milan, who used to follow random telegram signals. He'd win one trade, lose the next 3, and rage eat pizza out of frustration. Now, he analyzes his own charts, plans his entries, and knows why he wins or loses. That's the confidence a real strategy gives you. Everyone loves the strategy part because it's exciting. But ask any professional trader, the real secret isn't in predicting price, it's in managing risk. If you lose €20 trying to make 10, that's not trading, that's gambling. And the house always wins. Your goal isn't to win every trade. Your goal is to stay in the game long enough to learn. Here's the golden rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. If you have €1,000, your maximum loss should be €10 to €20 on a single trade. That sounds small, but over time, small losses protect your capital and buy you experience, the most valuable currency in trading. Think of it like playing poker. The pros don't go all in on every hand, they play smart, fold fast, and wait for high probability setups. That's trading. And the irony? Once you learn to protect your capital, the profits start coming faster. Let me tell you something uncomfortable. Most traders don't fail because they're dumb. They fail because they're inconsistent. One week, they're studying charts like Sherlock Holmes. Next week, they're binge-watching Netflix with a half-eaten pizza. Trading rewards discipline, not drama. So create a simple routine. Analyze markets for 30 minutes each morning. Journal your trades, write what you did right or wrong. Review your performance every weekend. This one habit separates amateurs from pros. Sophie in Berlin, for example, started with €200 last year. She journaled every trade: wins, losses, emotions. After 8 months, she wasn't just making money, she was managing emotions better than her ex ever did. Because trading teaches patience, humility, and control, life skills that extend beyond the charts. At some point, you've got to stop learning and start doing. You can read 100 trading books, watch 50 YouTube tutorials, and still not earn a single euro until you take that first trade. Start with a demo account. Practice everything you've learned reading charts, applying indicators, managing risk. Then move to a small live account, maybe 1 or 200 euros. You're not trying to get rich, you're trying to get real. Because real trading involves real emotions, greed, fear, excitement. And you can only master them through experience. Here's the truth. You'll lose some trades. Everyone does. But those small losses are tuition fees for your financial education. Pay them proudly, they're cheaper than any business degree. The markets in 2025 aren't what they were in 2015. AI bots are trading, liquidity moves faster, and retail traders are smarter. But here's the good news, the opportunities are bigger too. If you keep learning through free courses, trading communities, or YouTube playlists, you'll always stay ahead of the curve. And yes, I've added all the essential tutorials for you in one free playlist, from candlestick basics to advanced price action, so you don't waste hours scrolling. Remember, you don't need to know everything. You just need to know more than the person losing money next to you. Now we enter the toughest part, not charts, not indicators, but your mindset. Trading is 80% psychology, 20% skill. If you can't control your emotions, the market will do it for you, painfully. Here's what helps. Take breaks when you lose. Don't revenge trade. Avoid overconfidence after a win. Meditate, go for walks, touch grass seriously. You're not a robot. You're a human learning a high-performance skill. And when you master your emotions, you'll realize trading isn't just about money. It's about becoming a calmer, sharper version of yourself. After a few months of learning, practicing, and journaling, something magical happens. You stop guessing and start knowing. You'll look at the chart and feel the rhythm when momentum's building, when buyers are trapped, when the market's playing tricks. That's when you've leveled up from beginner to trader. From there, your journey can go anywhere. Scalping, swing trading, or even automating your strategies. But remember, you're not racing anyone. You're building a lifelong skill that can pay you anywhere, anytime, in euros, from your laptop. That's the real definition of freedom. Let me tell you a quick story. Alex from London used to scroll TikTok looking for side hustles. Dropshipping, freelancing, flipping sneakers, he tried them all. Nothing stuck. Then one day, he stumbled upon trading. He spent 3 months learning, 3 months practicing, and another 3 months losing small amounts. And then, one morning, he made 120 euros in 45 minutes, not because he got lucky, but because he followed his plan perfectly. That was his turning point. He realized trading isn't luck, it's learned skill plus patience. Now Alex trades part-time, travels often, and has a calm confidence most people never develop. If he can, why not you? The real goal of trading isn't just to buy a Tesla or flex screenshots. It's about control over your time, your money, your choices. It's waking up in your own schedule, sipping coffee while the market moves, and knowing your knowledge is earning for you. That's the dream we chase, not overnight wealth, but lifelong freedom. And if you start today, learning, practicing, applying discipline, by the time 2026 rolls around, you'll thank yourself for not waiting. So, my friend, here's your action plan. Learn the basics. Practice on demo. Build or borrow a strategy. Master risk. Stay consistent. Keep learning. That's it. Trading is simple, but not easy. It rewards patience, not perfection. If you're ready to start, I've put together a free beginner's trading playlist just for you, every video in order, every concept explained simply, all in one place. Don't wait for the perfect time. Because the best time to start learning is now. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to tap that like button, subscribe to Finance with Sonia, and share it with that one friend who still thinks trading is gambling. They'll thank you later. I'm Sonia, reminding you. Money isn't the goal. Freedom is. And trading, if done right, is your ticket there. Stay curious, stay consistent, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.
This journey is built on strategy, consistency, and value. If my content helps you grow financially, there's a PayPal link in the description. It's not about the amount, it's the support that counts. Every bit fuels more value. Let's build wealth together.